Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions by comparing the coolest gadgets on the market. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two incredible drones, the Holystone HS720 GPS drone and the ATTOP drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Rocket. Let's start with the first thing on everyone's mind, the price. The Holystone HS720 comes in at $249, while the ATTOP drone is a more budget-friendly $109. For the price difference, you could buy TWO ATTOP drones and still have enough left over for a pizza party. Pizza. So, if you're not looking to break the bank, ATTOP might just be your new best friend. Next up, let's talk cameras. The Holystone HS720 boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, giving you crystal clear footage. Reviewers love its high-quality video, comparing it to a mini Hollywood studio in the sky. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone comes with a 1080p wide-angle camera. Reviewers note that while it's good for basic photography, it doesn't quite match up to the Holystone's quality. So if you're looking for top-notch visuals, Holystone is the way to go. Now, let's dive into flight features. The Holystone HS720 has GPS-assisted intelligent flight, including return to home, follow me, and circle fly modes. Reviewers praise its reliability and ease of use, even in mild winds. The ATTOP drone, on the other hand, offers voice control, gesture control, and 360 degrees flips. Reviewers find these features fun, but note some reliability issues. If you want a drone that listens to you like a well-trained dog, go with Holystone. If you want a drone that's more like a hyperactive puppy, ATTOP's got your back. Battery life is crucial. The Holystone HS720 comes with 2 batteries, giving you a total of 52 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, but mention the long charging period. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone comes with 3 batteries, offering 30 minutes of flight time. Reviewers note that while the flight time is shorter, the multiple batteries provide flexibility. It's like getting 3 small candies instead of 1 big one. Candy, candy, candy. Both drones claim to be easy to use, but let's break it down. Holystone has multi-sensors for stability, optical flow positioning, and one-key start/stop. Reviewers find it very user-friendly and stable. ATTOP has one-key return, altitude hold, and headless mode. Reviewers note it's perfect for beginners, although some have experienced issues with durability. So if you're looking for something stable and user-friendly, Holystone is a great pick. If you're a beginner wanting to try out drone flying, ATTOP is a solid choice. Overall, reviewers praise the Holystone HS720 for its superior camera, quality, reliability, and user-friendly features, though it comes at a higher price. The ATTOP drone is appreciated for its affordability and fun features, but has mixed reviews regarding reliability and durability. All right, smart shoppers, there you have it. If you want a high-end drone with all the bells and whistles and don't mind spending a bit more, the Holystone HS720 is your go-to. But if you're looking for something fun, affordable, and easy to use, the ATTOP drone is a fantastic choice. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Helicopter Sparkle's product links are in the description.